TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 46. You get the NASDAQ up 7. S&Ps are up 5.5. Gold contracts down 330, trading at $11.9940. We have silver off 2 cents, $16.89 an ounce. Platinum's down $2, $9.35 an ounce. You get copper up 3.5 pennies, $2.65 a pound. Light sweet crude up 75 cents. $48.47 a barrel. Now, bottom line with the oil contract, folks, oil's been going down, has the wide price spread, accelerated volume on the way down. You get a bounce out here today. It's on light volume. We get oil numbers coming out at 10:30, so bottom line, we'll see where that baby wants to go. My take is that you want to run into that $45 lower swing point. 10-year note up 2 ticks, 122.30. 30-year bond up 10 ticks, 147.05. Now, both notes and bonds had taken out their January swing low. Bottom line, you had lighter volume. They're trying to make it back inside that area. Out here today, they're actually giving the best indication that no matter what the Fed ends up saying at 2 o'clock, meaning I suspect they're going to absolutely do a quarter-point rate hike. The market's going to be looking for what is going to be said in the news conference, how many more rate hikes are going to be in the course of the year. The bonds are saying more than likely you're going to get 3, we're not going to get 4. We'll see how that shakes out. King dollar is saying the same deal. King dollar had broken down last Friday. You're down 89 ticks right now. You're at 101.485. King dollar is going after its February 2nd swing point. That swing point is down quite a bit. We're talking about 99. What we had done yesterday is that it broke, last Friday it broke the uptrend from February 2nd, had the wide price spread, accelerated volume. You tested the lower end of that trend line yesterday with dramatically lighter volume. Now you're going downtown once again. The euro is trading at 106 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 114.76 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY was a sideways movement yesterday. Right now, you're up 69 cents. You're trading at 237.58, and 238.37 is what it's trying to get into. That is the low of the high that was established on the 1st of March. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. Same type of setup in the Dow. You're up $48 right now. The low of that high is 20,957. We're at 885. The composite, we take a look at the NASDAQ composite. What we have with the composite out here, composite right now is trading at a price point of 58.62, and what you have with the composite is this, is that the composite, the low of the high is 58.65, so the composite is right there. If we actually look at the NQs, we already have a seller inside the NQs this morning versus the seller wasn't in the S&Ps. But bottom line, as soon as that market opened, we went from 53.99 down to 53.86, and you get the volume behind the move. So right now, at the lows of the day, we do have the volume. That is saying that there's going to be more selling pressure inside the NDX 100. Gold contract, bottom line, the pit's closed at 1:30. So what you're not going to have is that when the announcement comes out, the pit's not going to be open. That being said, gold's at 11.98. Bottom line is it seems to be hard for the gold contract to get under the 11.96 area. We take a look at the bonds. The bonds and notes, folks, are still giving the most consistent information, specifically that they want higher price. Right now, we're teetering right at the 123 in the 10-year. The 123 is really important. Why? Because the 123, if it gets over 123, it gets you back in the higher range being that it would go to 125.04. We go over to King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar out here this morning. You get a sideways move. We're down 69 ticks, but basically it's a sideways move. It had already broken its uptrend on Friday, and I expect King Dollar is going to be making a move down to the 99 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market-Safe Core Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.